Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the TCL powered on and connected to power. Press the remote home button to begin. Make sure the TV and your phone are on the same Wi-Fi network because the setup uses local discovery. You'll sign in with your Google account, so retrieve your email and password now. Once done, choose your language and accept terms. The TV will scan for wireless networks. Pick yours, enter the password, and wait for network confirmation before moving to device pairing. You'll now install and enable the Google TV interface. Select it in Settings if TCL offers multiple OS modes. Sign into your Google account to sync apps, preferences, and Chromecast functionality. This is why you prepared credentials. The TV shows a code. On your phone, open the Google Home or use the on-screen prompts to pair. Make sure to grant permissions for location and device access so casting and recommendations work correctly. Once paired, the TV downloads your apps and personalizes the home screen. Complete setup by updating firmware and Google services. Go to Settings System About and check for updates, because updates fix bugs and improve stability. Then install key streaming apps from Google Play, sign into them, and play a short video to verify audio and network performance. If playback stalls, reboot the TV and router, confirm strong Wi-Fi signal, and recheck account logins. If problems persist, a factory reset often clears misconfigurations, but try reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.